Let's show you how to use the Overlay Image tool. First, go to the spot on the timeline where you want your overlay image to appear. Click Tools, select Overlay, and then the Image option, or you can press the O key and then the I key. Locate and choose an image from your computer and click Open. You can drag the image to position it around your video. To resize the overlay, click the Resize option and use the handles to drag the image in or out. If you want to crop the image, click on Crop and drag the handles around the image. To zoom in on just a part of the image, you can do so by dragging the zoom controls here. To reset the image to its original state, just press the Reset button. Let's set some style properties to the image. Here, you can apply a few different shapes to the overlay, or a few shadow options. You can reuse style settings by clicking this button. It will show previous styles you used, so you can easily switch back to a particular style combination. By default, the overlay will have a transition to fade in and out. You can edit the transition by clicking on these buttons. You have the option to fade, pop, or have no transition. Finally, you can choose to adjust the opacity by using this slider. To choose the section of the video your overlay appears, drag these bars over the timeline to select the start and end point. You can also animate the overlay so it changes over time, but we'll cover animation in another tutorial. Once you're finished and ready to see it in action, you can preview it by clicking the Preview button here. If that looks good, press the OK button or the Enter key to save it. After the overlay image is added to your video, a colored span will show on your timeline to indicate the placement of this overlay. You can edit the overlay by clicking on this spot on the timeline. Click this icon, and you will be brought back to the overlay controls, or you can remove the overlay by clicking this icon. Create, share, and experience video with Screencast-O-Matic.